guys, Chelsea, your TA lady, coming with you with the latest cryptocurrency news, as well as what's going on in the markets and some good setups. So Bitcoin hit up to 50,000. That psychological resistance, it hasn't completely crossed that, but it's right at that level. So that's amazing to see. It's at the top of the trend line, which some of the news, the market cap now tops $1.5 trillion. Amazing to see. And then Polkadot ended up replacing Cardano in the market cap. So Polkadot is now the top 4. And Polkadot not too long ago was very low in cost. So it's amazing to see how fast sometimes these things can move in market cap, which I think now with that much money on the sidelines, there's potential in a lot of these lower caps to really 10x at least. And that's if you're smart with the market, obviously, and study technical analysis, pair it with news, you're going to have even better results. And this serves at like a heat map a little bit. It shows which people are buying and not. Coin360.com. You can go ahead and see, this is the daily chart. You could do 1 hour, 7 hours. See the market cap. You can search different coins, but it's really cool to see because you can see the percentages right away. So that's coin360.com, another thing that you can use in your arsenal of tools. All right, ADA, Cardano, it had a pull back, but remember, those are your buying opportunities. You can see they're using a Fibonacci retracement, which I've been talking to you guys consistently in this channel about it, which if you guys want to learn technical analysis, I do have a course I'm putting together, so feel free to comment below. I would love to share with you guys, as well as comment, subscribe, like the channel as well, so I can keep you up to date consistently. It really helps with the algorithm of being consistent with it. But as you see, these pullbacks are always good buying opportunities. Look at it, hit the 0.382 Fibonacci retracement level, and bots buy on those. So that's a great one to watch to get into coins. All right, we got some news on Tezos, XTZ. They are now speaking with Bitfinex by adding Tezos as a collateral on the loan portal. So news comes out for Tezos. So the news, you want to pair it with that and the charts. Then Elon Musk believes Robinhood is the biggest Dogecoin whale, which, yeah, if people start buying into what people are saying, like if Elon Musk is saying Dogecoin, a lot of people are going to be buying into that. And a lot of people start their trading on their phones using Robinhood. It is a good starting point, but you really want to get into, one, not trading on your phone, right? Treat it like a business. Look at charts. Really learn it. And when you trade on other platforms, you could do limit orders versus market orders, where market orders are taking more percentage. And so there's things like that as well to be paying attention to. All right, Lindsay Lohan, other celebrities promoted Tron, which, yeah, CHZ, the Binance as well. I've been seeing tweets go out all the time. Justin Sun, he had a tweet speaking to Lindsay Lohan. And so, yeah, those public figures, when they promote it, a lot of people see that and they buy in because they have a lot of followers. But that's just something to pay attention to. What other people are talking about, you can see pumps sometimes. But it's better to trade on the charts, what you see on the charts, and then pair it with the news. All right, we got some GRT news. They look to integrate with blockchains, Bitcoin, Polkadot, Solana, and Cosmos. So some high-end names there with a partnership. So that's something to go ahead and keep an eye out on GRT. GRT is a good coin to keep your eye out on. All right, so this is the Bitcoin dominance chart, which is still continuing low, guys, continuing low. And this is the 6-hour chart. So I would draw this trend line even further down. And you got 4 touches here, so that's a pretty good trend line. You want to pay attention to if it breaks this trend line, so you could set an alert. It hasn't broke it yet. All right, let's go to the daily chart. You see it's still low, right? But it's in a falling wedge. A falling wedge has a 68% chance of a breakout. So that's something to keep an eye out. But still, more money is flowing into the altcoins, which is a total 2. So this is the daily chart. Had the run up, We had some red days, but still staying pretty consistent. This is the daily chart. Your MACD is looking like a bearish cross coming. So let's go to that 4 hour. It's been ranging here. Let's go to the 6 hour. Yeah, it's been pretty much ranging in that area, which Bitcoin has been ranging as well. So this is a 6 hour. It's continuing in this rising wedge, so it's staying in the pattern, which you want to keep extending it. Keep planning that it's going to be in the pattern until it breaks out, guys. So we'll go to the 4 hour chart. You can see more details as you go down on the 4 hour chart. Let's go to the daily chart. It's continuing, guys. Continuing to raise, but it did print some bearish signs, so you're just going to keep kind of watch this. You have on your R side, you have bullish divergence, but it didn't play out. So you want to make sure the price action doesn't play out. You'll be watching that next candle move. And it's been staggering right here in the RSI. It's definitely at oversold levels. You definitely want to pay attention if it goes to that 70 mark. And you're getting across here. So we'll make this even larger. You got to cross here. See if it continues to cross up or down on the daily chart. So that is your update on Bitcoin. It did hit that candle up to $50,000. So that psychological resistance, obviously the psychological resistance, you have a lot of sellers stacked there to take profits. So then that can push the price down, but staying around the same range of 48,694 right now. All right, so this is your GRT chart, which it had that pullback, guys. So again, let's try out the Fibonacci retracement level so you can see how I do this. You can take your low to your high point, which it hit on the 0.618. So good buying opportunities, bam, bounce. So good opportunity to get in. This is your daily chart. Pretty much had the run up. So you will just want to keep an eye out. It did print though a green candle there, so that's a bullish sign. Let's go into some others that you just want to pay attention to see if you can get in for some good altcoins. 1 inch is one of those. This is the daily chart. It did break lower, so broke lower. So that's when you want to adjust your pattern. So I'll go ahead. You still have some crossings here where it met that lower line. And it's ranging here, so you just want to pay attention to it. This is storage. Some of you guys may have gotten in on it. It's one of them that was talking about that rounded bottom, and look at it, went parabolic all the way up there. Luna is another one. So this is on the 1 hour chart, so if you're going lower time frames, but look at it starting to form that rounded bottom, which it's already gone pretty parabolic on a lot of the higher time frames, but that's something to pay attention to as an entry to get back in. So right now, a lot of the coins with Bitcoin being at that $50,000 level, guys, a lot of the coins right now are, on that shaky level with altcoins. A lot of people are waiting to see what the market's doing. So Asia is about to wake up at around 6 p.m., which is my time, 6 p.m. I'm on Mountain Time. So it's just something to pay attention to, because that's going to lead into what's going on next when people wake up, which is typically 6 a.m. my time, Mountain Time, 12 as well. But OMG as well, that has been in that huge rounded bottom. It did get a little pullback too, so you can pay attention for some good entries on these altcoins. But pay attention to what Bitcoin's doing, because that always holds the show of where the money's flowing into and how you can get the best out of it with your trades. So take care, guys. Subscribe to the channel. Reach out if you would like to learn more about trading and technical analysis.